Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. That's the only way that you're going to get notified when we post future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do, and that's the only way you can motivate me to continue sharing videos. If you are looking for Forex robots, indicators, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Go through them. If you cannot find what you're looking for, then you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below. Everything is shared for free. Everything is for free. Okay, let's get into today's video. Do you use indicators? Do you not use indicators? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I would like to hear your thoughts. Lately I've been getting like suggested videos on YouTube of many traders saying basically indicators are trash, forex indicators are bad, forex indicators are nonsense and stuff like that. So if you still use forex indicators and you rely on them in your daily trading, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think about this topic. Are forex trading indicators bad? Are they useless? Do they not help anything in your trading? So I understand the arguments put forward by some of these traders that, for example, forex trading indicators lag. It's a fact. As price action is moving, there is some information that is going to give out, and the forex indicators are taking that data, process it, and then display it on the chart, whether it's MetaTrader 4 or whether it's some charting platform that you use. So basically there is a lag in time, say a few seconds, a few microseconds, or even minutes. For example, I've noticed that the simple moving average cross strategy, it does work well with lower time frames, but you find that when you try to use it on higher time frames, you are going to have to wait a long time before the moving averages do cross. So I understand that they do lag, and it also means that especially if you are waiting for RSI, MACD, and moving averages and stuff like that, you are getting into the market and buying at a much higher price or selling at a very low price than you should have because of indicators, because they do lag. I also understand the argument that some put forward. For example, if indicators do work, why would brokers give you those indicators for free? Why would they just give you those indicators, considering that most of these brokers are trading against you, or most of them, or they want you to lose so that they can make some money off your trading account? So why would they give you all these tools for free? But does that make forex indicators useless? Does it make forex indicators bad? Again, I would like to hear your thoughts. I'd like to hear what you think. Leave a comment in the comments section below. Do you still use forex indicators in your daily trading? Do you rely on them? Personally, I think the problem is when people use the indicators the wrong way. I still do use some indicators to plot my support and resistance, mainly support and resistance, whether it's horizontal or whether it's channels. when I started trading, of course, I did use all sorts of indicators, moving averages, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, parabolics. I tried all of that. But in the end, of course, I also decided it might not be for me. I started moving more towards the cleaner charts trading. But what I found was sometimes it's not because the indicator is bad per se, but what I found was my mistake, and the mistake that many people make is they use indicators as predictive tools. They use indicators to predict the future when they do not understand that indicators are an indication of what has transpired. So you cannot use them to foretell the future. If you understand that simple basic point, you find that indicators are very useful because they can easily or conveniently show you. If you're a visual person, I'm a visual person myself, I like to see what's happening. Of course, on a naked chart I can see my points, my levels and stuff, but when I add my indicators, then it becomes easier. You just at a glance I can easily see where price is going, what price is doing. So indicators do play a role if you understand how to use them. That's my understanding. Of course, there is the school of naked charts, but my understanding with naked charts is also that you are still using indicators. Of course, instead of not using MACD, instead of not using RSI, stochastic and stuff, the indicator has become your mind, because your eyes are now able to spot levels of interest, levels or zones of interest, without plotting your support and resistance, without plotting your channels. Your eyes are now trained to see what price is doing. So of course you have taken off those indicators from your charts, but your eyes and your mind can still act as indicators. So news can also act as an indicator. So you cannot exactly say indicators are bad, or unless you are just saying the MACDs, the stochastics and all that stuff that comes with your trading platform. So basically that's my 2 cents. I don't know. I've moved mostly away from using indicators, but I still do use indicators for stuff like support and resistance, channels, mainly those things. Other than that, I've moved away from the MACDs, stochastics, and the problem with especially oscillators for me, your RSI and your stochastics especially, is they can be in that overbought or oversold zone for years. You think that now it's going to sell when it crosses down the 80 level, or if it crosses the 20 level, now it's time to buy. It's going to go back down, or it will stay overbought for months. So I moved from that because it did not work for me. But I promise you, I've seen people who will swear by stochastics, people who will swear by RSI, people who made money with the MACD, they swear by the MACD. It's working for them. So I cannot really say indicators are bad, indicators are useless. For example, I always give this example when it comes to Fibonacci. For me, the concept of the Fibonacci, of course I try to understand it, but for me it sounds dodgy, the concept of the Fibonacci. But Does it mean that people are not making money with Fibonacci? Of course, people are making a lot of money with just trading with the Fibonacci. They plot their Fibonacci levels and boom, they are in trades. Their trades are profitable and they are making money. But for me, the concept of the Fibonacci, the whole concept around it, sounds to me like fishy. So, do you still use indicators in your day trading? Are you using indicators in your day trading? What are your thoughts? Are indicators bad? Are indicators useless? I'd like to hear your thoughts. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.